Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, again, Indian markets did well, opened at an unchanged levels, but made an attempt to cross the level of 22,150, which is positive. Now, the overall setup of the market is indicating us that the Nifty, is heading for the levels of 22,500 in next maybe few weeks. It will take time, but if there is any correction, then again it will be an opportunity to create some long positions in the market. The Bank Nifty was also trying to move higher, but 46,700, 46,800 acted as major resistance for the Bank Nifty, and from there all the way again it came back to the levels of 46,500. But the overall setup for all these top major indices, we feel that the strategy should be to buy on dips, and the levels are 22,050, 22,060 for the Nifty, where like the support should emerge. Ideal strategy should be to look for adding some positions between 22,075 and 22,025. So within this 50 points, try to add some long positions. Keep a stop loss at 22,000 on a closing basis. So in case if we see the market is closing below the same, then exit out of it, because then in that case the Nifty may fall to 21,950 or 850 levels, and then later on if there is any reversal formation, then we should look for adding positions. But otherwise, with a very short term view, 22,000 level should be the final stop loss for holding any short term positions on index. Also, if we go through with the upside, then on immediate basis 22,275 and 22,300 will be resistance. In the best case scenario, 22,500 seems achievable. For the Bank Nifty, 46,700 acted as resistance. Supports are between 46,300 and 200 levels. Keep a stop loss at 45,900, because below that the Bank Nifty may again fall back to the levels of 45,600 or 500. So 45,900 should be the final stop loss for holding any short term position on a closing basis. Now if we go through with other heavyweight stocks on which we regularly discuss, and in that Reliance Industries, which was like around 2900 levels. From there all the way it recovered back to 2960, where it has resistance of multiple profit booking levels. Above 2960 the stock can flare up to the levels of 2990 or 3000, and in the best case scenario 3050. Again, the strategy should be to look for adding some positions. Keep a stop loss at 2900. For HDFC Bank, there the pattern was completely sideways. Based on the technical formation, till the HDFC Bank is not breaking 1400, we may see the levels of close to 1460 or 1475 on the high side. So 1400 should be the final stop loss for HDFC Bank. And finally, Bajaj Hindustan, which was like consistently trading sideways since last almost 6-7 days, was like under some recovery mode on Monday. Although it failed to sustain at higher levels, it closed again back to the levels of 6700. But while looking at the setup of the stock, we feel that it is heading for the levels of at least 7,000, 7,200 in next few weeks. So it's a positional buy, unless and until it is not sustaining above 6850. We can expect stock to consolidate between 6500 and 6850 for next few days. Also, on the downside, it could be like 65 below 6500 the stock can fall to 6300, but it will be an opportunity to buy and hold the stock with a medium term view. So these are the stocks and indices on which we discussed. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.